Hey. Is that Sean?
Yeah.
Do you remember me? From school.
I'm sorry. I don't remember you. Did we study together?
Yes, and we lived in the same dorm, too.
Really? What floor did you live on?
I lived on the 9th floor. You lived on the 7th floor.
That's right. How did you know?
I would see you in the elevator sometimes.
I'm sorry I don't remember you.
It's all right. It was several years ago.
Well, anyway, it's nice to meet you again.
Bertha.
Bertha Smith, right?
Yes, I see. So you do remember me.
So where do you live now?
I live in an apartment.
Oh, do you live with your parents?
No. My parents moved to the country.
Oh, they must be very happy there.
Yes. They enjoyed it very much.
So do you live alone?
No. I share the apartment with an old friend.
Really? A friend? Is it a boyfriend?
No. She's an old friend from school. We've known each other for many years. How about you, Bertha? Where do you live?
Oh, I rent an apartment. I am by myself.
Do you like it there?
Yeah, but it's kind of noisy.
Oh. Maybe you should complain with your neighbors.
Oh, no. I'm the one who makes the noise.
Thank you for watching channel Dan Sreyoun. Please subscribe, like and share.